Hello, it's Paul here. I am going to give you, as quick as I can, an introduction to Zendesk today. Everything you need to do to use Zendesk as your ticketing system, maybe as your knowledge base, maybe as your live chat, quick and easy. And I'll try to show you everything I know about Zendesk. I use Zendesk every day. I use it as my ticketing system, and I think it's great. What I'll do is, please understand, this is an introduction to Zendesk. It's not an exact how to use Zendesk. What I'll do is I'll break it out into lessons that I'll timestamp in the video, in the description, and I'll put that in a free training course on my site. That's a place where you can say exactly how do I do this, and I'll post videos to do specific things. But this is an introduction, and I will show you what the great features are with Zendesk. What's great for me, it is July 2020. If you pause me now and tell me why you're here, tell me what you're looking to learn, tell me what you're hoping to get out of this video. If I don't cover it in the video, I will reply to you in the comments, and I'll try and point you in the right directions. And if you enjoy the video, a subscribe would be amazing. Let's get into it.